Nandito kami ngayon sa San Diego Mission Beach, California. Yan. Daming seaweed oh. Daming tao pa rin naliligo at nagpapa-sunbathing kahit na ganda ng araw, hindi siya mainit kasi natakpan yung araw ng ulap. Yan oh. Kaya hindi siya mainit, tsaka cloudy siya. Cloudy. Yan. Dami. Yan na yung tubig. Yan. Ready tayong pupunta sa tubig, okay? Pupunta tayo sa tubig. Yan. Sabay tayong tatakbo. Wow, sobrang lamig ng tubig nila dito. Woo! Sobrang lamig. Hindi ko kaya maligo dito. Ayan na yung alon. Woo! Ano? Nabasa na ako. Muntik na ako nabasa. Sabay tayong takbo, okay? Ayan ang mga seaweed nila. Ayan. Pwede kaya itong kainin? Oh, meron po pa siya. Oh, may parang buto. Ang tigas. Ayan si May. Nagbibideo ako. Nakakain kaya to? Nakakain kaya? Tikman ko? Oh yeah, maganda pala dyan. Yan. Oh, say hi May. Yan. Yan ang photographer. Si May.
I like the shirt. I'm originally from Tucson.
Really?
Yeah, Camino Seco Speedway area.
Oh, I mean,
East side.
Alberno. You know the McDonald's and Alberno? Speedway and Alberno, the McDonald's. You're from CVS Pharmacy.
I moved up to Phoenix, or Surprise in 1997.
So, where did you live before? In Tucson? Camino Seco, right?
Yeah, Camino Seco.
Yeah, they have a Safeway over there. They have Walmart. They have a farm in there.
I went to Saguaro High School.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Saguaro High School. But I graduated in '83. Yeah, I was born in Tucson.
Oh.
I love Tucson. There's always something to do.
Do you live here?
No, we came from Surprise, Arizona. Came down to visit.
Oh, yeah. We just came here from Tucson to visit here.
All
too.
right.
All right. Have a good day. So it's nice weather today.
Yes.
Okay.